Hello everyone.
Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again.
No, it's not surprising for something that's 4.5 decades old and has been operating for nearly 3.5 decades longer than it should have.
So today we are going to be discussing about the Voyager 1 and 2. So Voyager 1 is the most far away that's the make history about the man-made object. So today we are going to be discussing about this Voyager 1, that how do they go far from our Earth right now in 2025. So let's start the video here. Launched on 1977 5th September, and not only this one the first launch, but the first launch, that is Voyager 2. This Voyager 2 is launched on the 1977 and they launched on August. So Voyager 1 also, when they pass from Jupiter and Saturn. The first of all, they move with their gravitations of the planets. After that, they move forward with speed of around like 10.3 milliseconds or the hours. So Voyager 1 also moved so fast, and the Voyager 2 also moves so fast, but exactly Voyager 1 is little bit faster than Voyager 2. So Voyager 1 moved to the Jupiter's near the Jupiter, and you can see here the screen of the real pictures of Jupiter that takes the pictures of the Jupiter here by the Voyager 1. And after that, they moved to the Saturn. They found the rings of the Saturns and also the moons of the Saturns. About this all informations they get. After that, they move through to the solar system. After that, they enter into the bubbles of the suns, that is called heliosphere. So we will understand here that how they move so fast and how they go. About the Voyager 1, travel move at about like 10.6 milliseconds, and Voyager 2 is traveling about like 9.7 milliseconds. So heliosphere, that is the bubble regions of the space, that is the sun bubbles. And after they pass, there will get about the interstellar. After that, they will get the Oort Cloud. So first of all, they enter into the bubbles of the suns, and you can see the real picture here that clicked by the Voyager 1, and they sent back to the Earth here, and we can see. So after they move that the Oort Cloud, if they move to the interstellar, right now the Voyager 1 is present in the interstellar, and they are going to reach the Oort Cloud. So Oort Cloud is so much thick, that means so much thick, and if they just want to exit from this Oort Cloud, then they just need around like 300 to 3000 years to take from this thicks of the Oort Cloud. And after they move, they will reach to the galaxies, that is the energies of the gases, nebulas of the galaxies, about these all things after they move. But exactly right now there is in interstellar area they have, and yeah, this is the very hard to cross, to exist the Oort Cloud here of power. So they have only 22 watts right now that we use in our daily house, that 22 watts of the light bulbs also only power they have left right now. But before they launch from the Earth, they have a lot of energies, they had a lot of power, but right now the power is only 22 watts. But the descent back to the Earth is around like 1 trillion watts. Because of why? Because they give to the spread of into the space, and we collect here in the Earth, because we have the big antenna that is 230 feet by the NASA, created by NASA. And not only in NASA place, there is 3 locations in the Earth also. One that is California, United States, and the second that is state, and the second is Madrid, Spain, and the third is Canberra in Australia. So yeah, these three have already. And about like the Voyager 1 in 2036 to 2030, they are going to be permanently shut down by predicted by the NASA companies, and they will never be again opens. The history of the man-made that go to the fastest and also the far way to our galaxies. So this is the reason that they move faster. Exactly right now, the Voyager 1 is present in the interstellar area right now. So hope you all understand right now what I'm talking about, and I will see you in the next video, guys. If you didn't watch my videos, also you can check here, and you can share this video also, so that people can understand science, not about the fighting of religions or anything else. We will understand the science, and we can improve our arts for our future also. So thank you very much.